you can paddle shift. Street gear rims with the machined. Put a hood scoop on it just for fun. It's Suzuki time. Okay, here's an update on my headlights. These were smashed anyway, so I heated them up in the oven and I stripped them apart. And I'm going to be painting this so it looks like a custom black headlight. So I've removed a couple screws that were holding this in. I've also got the reflector. Going to be adding a little bit of tint to that, and then I'll get it all back together. Alright, so everything on the headlight is apart. The reflector has been tinted. The reflector in the lens is masked off. Everything else is painted black. And I did some logos by hand over here, closer to the fender. Alright, I'm tolerably happy with this headlight. It's been taken apart. The housing has been painted black. As you can see in there, the reflectors have been left chrome. Actually, it comes apart really conveniently. Put some logos in. I may address the chip later. I've also repaired a tab which was completely broken. That's pretty solid now. It was a wrecker part. I had to buy it with tabs missing, which did not make me happy. So this will be actually the second time I've repaired those tabs on it. You can see the reflector's been tinted. We're fairly happy with it. It's gonna get us some more polish and then it'll be done.